Diba? Nagkita na tayo finally.
We really hope that all of you can make friends throughout this trip.
We are now at the Candeo Hotel. Guys, ang cute ko ba? I'm going to Japan. I'm gonna catch my flight from Bangkok to Osaka. Tulog na yung ibang tao. So, bababa na ako and I book a car with a cloak. Kasi ma-sure yung grab kasi I forgot. Songkran. Baka hindi tayo sure dyan. So, jacket. 6 hours ang flight. Pupunta ako. Osaka. See ya. Early flight. Cute pa ng damit ko. Skin. May jacket ako sa loob ng bag. Pero, oh gosh, kailangan maaga kasi takot talaga ako mamaya ano mangyari. Hindi tayo pwedeng ma-late. Usually, lagi ako sumasakay dito pag naka-budget ako or whatever, or wala akong lounge access kung hindi man ako nakakate. Kasi as always, di ba doon tayo sa mura? And may 8 access ka a year. To be honest, for most people, that's already enough. So you don't need it naman na. Anyways, okay, let's go look for it. Ito yung lounge na dito, priority pass lounge, lahat pwede rin. Ito yung itsura ng lounge mo here. And then I'll show you the food in a bit. So may coffee yan, then you have your croissants, you have buns, and then syempre meron siyang rice, and then may fried rice, eggs, oh my god, ham, and then vegetables. And you have all of your different drinks. Coke Zero, we have it. Oh my gosh guys, may ice cream rin sila dito. So if you want ice cream, pwede. And then bottled water. Then you have your drinks. Medyo umaga, so wala kami drink. And then you have Thai desserts. And meron ka pang mga sandwiches that you want. Egg sandwich, cheese sandwich, everything na, even chicken bologna sandwich. And then may guava juice rin siya. And then may mga cups ka. So, konti yung selection na yung fruits here as well. Guys, ito na yung buong lounge mo. O diba? Not bad. Then may TV for your boarding. Flight to Tokyo, Japan, Osaka. Sasabaw na ako. So early. Guys, I'm gonna stay at the pinaka-likod. These are the seats of Thai Airways. Guys, A350. Maganda ang ating tables are good. TVs are good. With good space. Maganda rin space mo sa baba. Earphones. Blanket. And we have a pillow. O diba? That's Star Alliance and that's Thai Airways for you guys. Of course, immigration. So I'm gonna get my bags. Pero before anything else, kailangan ko mag-restroom kasi baka mahaba yung car ride. So, susunduin tayo. May airport transfer tayo kasi meron tayong kasabay na iba. So I'm so lucky. Buti lang lumipad ako from Bangkok. My bags! You have to have all of your QR ready kasi mas mabilis ka. So QR yung sa Japan, pagpasok mo, immigration, pati yung sa customs mo. You have to make sure that everything's ready para tapos ka na. Guys, we're in Candeo. So this is the hotel. Kanina kaka-drop lang sa atin ng car. And this is the whole hotel in Namba. Ang ganda. Okay, let's go. I'll check in. We have 1 hour for everything. So guys, here's our keys. And then meron silang Sky Spa sa 17th floor. Friends, ang ganda ng hotel. Nakita ko pala parang ganda-ganda na ako. I'm just going to put in our things. Room tour tayo. Then afterwards, put in lahat ng gamit. Takbo diretso kasi I only have an hour before the meeting place. So I will have to go back to Meda Sky kaagad. So my room is 1529. We are now at the Candeo Hotel. Hangers. Plus you have a bag rack. You have all of your slippers. And then, meron kayong parang kanyang pajama. The bed is very big actually. And ang maganda dito, parang meron pa isang tatami na couch. and a sofa and a chair. May saksakan everywhere. Bottled waters. You have your kettle. And then ang view ko is buildings. Not bad. TV's also big, maganda, malaki din. Before anything else, buksan na po natin ang aircon. At ayoko ng mainit na kwarto. Char. Now let's look into the restrooms. Okay, the restroom is very typical restroom mo, guys. Hand soap mo, but you have everything that you might need here. Lahat ng mga, may bath towel ka, may razor, toothbrush, comb, hair blower, and of course, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, lahat. Towels, face towels. Ito rin yung towel na dadalhin mo if ever going to go to the sauna. Hindi po pwedeng hindi yan, ha? You will have your mini fridge rin nandito. O, diba? O, diba? Ayan, you have to click it on. Right na mag-freshen up lang ako. Ayusin ko lang sarili ko and afterward you should be leaving. I'll look at the other floors. Sakto, pwede mo na ako mag-vlog doon kasi I can bring my bag in the camera. Meron sila dito storage ng lockers mo where you can put your stuff, 24-hour security, o diba, pwede mo iwan yung mga bags mo if ever magsha-shop ka. O diba, nandyan yung mga lockers na yan. 24-hour security, very safe po to. Guys, ito yung Candeo Hotel sa Namba, o diba? Ang ganda ng buong lobby mo, as in. And then you have your locker, your restrooms, and then check-in area mo, and then yung dinner or breakfast buffet, whatever, lahat na doon din nasa likod yan. And here are the elevators rin as well. O, diba?
Hello! Hi, Jax!
Diba, nakita na tayo finally!
I know, right?
Pero wala kaming tulog, bot! Good luck!
Palaban, lahat ng pinadala nila dito ngayon.
Correct, correct.
Walang magpapahinga, kailangan sumabay.
At bawal kami malate, kaya nagmamadali na kami.
We booked out the entire restaurant. We really hope that all of you can make friends throughout this trip as well as enjoy yourselves tonight.
What the food, guys. Ang baboy ko, guys. Naubos ko ng pagkain. So alam yung gutom na gutom ako talaga. Gutom si Chuck. Sabay kami ubos na. Joanna, kumain ka na. Nahiya na kami.
Tumichika pa eh.
Oo nga eh.
Really happy to receive you guys today. I hope the dinner was good.
Yeah! Super! Have fun tas pas now. Yay! Ang cute! Oh my gosh, dream ko talaga to magkaroon nung pumunta ako dati.
Now you have it.
I love it!
Time of your life, every single night, the confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd.
Ang ganda, guys, di ba? Ito siya. Ito ang Umeda Sky. You see the whole skyline. Boosh, ganyan talaga. Iniikot ka lang talaga dito. You see the whole skyline of Osaka. As in, maganda naman talaga siya, guys. For me, it's worth it. Kaya meron siya yung pass, di ba? Diba, oh, ang ganda, iba. Iba siya sa umaga, iba rin siya sa gabi. I personally like to see night sceneries kasi mas gusto ko gabi yung nakikita. May food rin dito sa harapan, pwede ka rin pumunta. Okay, may mga pwede mong kainan, lahat ng mga ganyan. Yes, here, oh. Diba lahat yan makita mo. Na ang ganda rin ng puntahan namin, wala masyadong tao. If you go later, syempre mas konti yung tao mo, pwede ka kumain dyan. And this is the north side. And makita mo dyan, may north. Diyan, no, pwede kayo bumili laps dyan. Tapos sa taas may skywalk pa tayo. Ay, wow! Ang ganda. Guys, nakapunta na ako dito pero hindi ko ito nakita before. Sarado. Ang ganda.
On the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance.
How was it?
Buhay pa at nalaban pa, girl.
Pero at fairness, alis na kami ulit. Na, guys, Dotonbori is here. Yung gyoza dyan. And then you have walking streets pa doon. But dito yung usong Glicoman. Nandyan yan sa harapan. So this is at Namba Station. Kung gusto po ng Dotonbori, ito yun. At Don Quixote. And then dito naman yung Glicoman mo. Guys, may mga takoyaki pa here. Yes, kahit gabi meron sila dyan. I'm staying here at Namba. The nearest station will be definitely Namba Station. So not that bad. It's a good walk. Pero meron mga 7-Eleven beside it. And pinakamaganda, itong sauna niya, yung spa niya. I'm gonna go back mga 12. Tingnan natin. Kung di pa ako masyado pagod. But I'm loving this place. Ganda. I'm telling you. Ganda talaga. Kanina dyan ako umupo. Oh. Ba yung pwesto ko kanina. Ganda. I'm going to look at the public bath. Oh, I can wear pajamas. So I can wear the pajamas that was given. Then the slippers. So I'll change into the pajamas first, guys. Guys, ang cute ko ba? Yeah, so I'm going to go to the public bath with this. Meron pa siya dito hotel information in my card situation. See? Uncrowded ang male and then uncrowded ang female. And may coin laundry rin. Makita mo, oh, di ba kung saan, kung crowded ba o hindi. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Oh my gosh, ang ganda, oh, guys. Ito na. Tapos sinabi ko masarap.